Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to my craft room. Now, spring is upon us, and I know as paper crafters, that spring feeling brings the urge to clean and organize and kind of get our lives together and get our craft space into a place where we can feel really creative and really productive. And if you're feeling that way this spring, then I have the perfect event to share with you. From April 21st through April 23rd, the Paper Crafters Get Organized Summit is taking place, and there are 27 seasoned paper crafters from all over the world sharing their best tips and tricks for getting your space cleaned, organized, and in its most productive state. Now, anyone can attend this event for free, and each day of the event, content will be available starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And with the free ticket, you'll be able to access that content for 24 hours. So you have 24 hours to consume the content for that day, and after that, it disappears. But you'll be able to take part in this summit and get all of the fabulous information shared here. And you'll also be able to participate in the Facebook group, meet new people, kind of keep each other accountable, and interact with new friends and speakers from the summit. Now, each of these speakers will be sharing their best organization tips and tricks for every type of crafter, whether you have an entire room to organize or if you just work off of a kitchen table. And they're going to share the how they organize, but they're also going to share the why. And that's really going to open up a new world of inspiration and thinking for you so that you can get your craft room into the most productive place possible. Now, if you want lifetime access to all of the content shared in this event and you want immediate access to this event, then I have the ticket for you, and it is called the Ultimate Organization Bundle. Now, with the Ultimate Organization Bundle, you'll get lifetime access to all the content. You'll be involved in that Facebook group as well, but you'll also get access to ebooks and courses that are available with this Ultimate Organization Bundle. And you'll be able to access this content immediately. You don't have to wait for April 21st. Once you sign up for your free ticket, you'll have 30 minutes to grab a super special early bird pricing on this Ultimate Organization Bundle. You'll never see that price again. After 30 minutes, you will have access to early bird pricing, but it's not the best value that you can get. So if you're thinking you want lifetime access to this content, you'll want to go ahead and sign up immediately for that Ultimate Organization Bundle. Now, once the event starts, that price is going to go up again. So I'm just telling you how it all works ahead of time so that you can be prepared. Now, if you want more information on this event, if you want to see a list of the speakers, go ahead and click the link below. It'll take you over to my blog, and I will also include a link below so that you can sign up for the free ticket for this Paper Crafters Get Organized Summit. I hope to see you there. Thanks for stopping by today. I can't wait for all of us to get organized together. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.